I won't stop it. It's good for me because it releases my stress.
One day you will know the truth and impact of smoking.
Many people smoke due to habits or stress.
Smoking increases the risk of lung cancer and heart disease.
Yes, smoking can harm your loved ones through secondhand smoke.
Smoking takes millions of lives worldwide each year.
Cigarette contains toxic chemical and nicotine.
Yes, many people have successfully quit smoking with support and willpower.
Secondhand smoke is dangerous because it can cause health problems in non-smoker.
Smoking can cause premature aging and bad breath.
Smoking can lead to expensive medical bills and lost income.
Yes, smoking-related diseases include cancer, heart disease, and stroke.
Smoking can increase stress and anxiety in some individuals.
The best way to quit smoking is to seek support from doctors, family, and friends. I told you, smoking isn't good for your health, and yet you're still doing it. I told you to stop smoking because it could make you sick and affect your life.
Smoking can leave you short of breath and limit your activities.
Smoking can drain your wallet with expensive medical bills and lost incomes.
Secondhand smoke can harm your family and friends.
Smoking can significantly reduce your lifespan.
Smoking can restrict your activities and travel due health concerns.
Smoking can cause serious health problems, including lung cancer and heart disease.
Smoking can strain your relationship with loved ones who worry about your health.
Smoking can lead to chronic illnesses and disabilities. Wow, Jochen, you improve a lot. I'm so proud of you. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you, Julie. Because of you, I improve a lot. And now, I'm focused now on my studies.
You see, smoking is not good for our health and life.
So, we should stop smoking?
And say no to smoking.
Stop!
Stop!